That's a caulking gun? One more. That looks like a hassle. It's getting really tiresome. Anyways, here we go. I gotta caulk this entire brick wall.
The whole thing?
Every bit of it.
By hand.
My hand is so tired. If only there was an easier way.
That's a caulking gun?
It's the caulking gun.
Is it still dripless?
The least drip you've ever seen.
I love it. This should make doing the brick a heck of a lot simpler. Okay.
What do you think?
Now I have the strength to do other activities. Now, instead of my hands getting throbbing,
I get jacked. Oh, let's go.
Instead of my hands getting throbbing.
Wow, that's a lot of juice.
Hasta mañana, cracks. It's amazing.